Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you some proofs that I received the money from LeadsLeapProfits.com. In my last video I show you how you can request a payout, and my last video was uploaded 2 weeks ago, but there is a good explanation why I received the money after 12 days, after almost 2 weeks. Now, before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, hit that like button and notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Let me just log into my LeadsLeap Profits account. And first, I just want to show you a couple of proofs that I already received the money I requested on April 1st. And 3 days ago, April 13th, I received the money on my Skrill account. Now, first, let me just go to commissions page. And there you go. Amount paid 11.45. And the date, April 13th. Today is April 16th. Alright? So, this is the first proof. And the other proof, I'm gonna go into my Skrill Gmail account to show you the notification I got. Sorry, there you go. Now let me just refresh this page so you'll see that is not a screenshot. Alright, there you go. Hello Andrew, you received 11.45, the same amount as here. Okay. From Brittany Johnson, aka Danny Cash, who is the owner and the admin of LeadsLeap Profits. And there you go, LeadsLeap Profits commissions. Now, I don't think that there's any need to go to my Skrill account. This is proof enough. The moment you receive the notification email, I already checked on my Skrill account as well, and I had the money in there. But let me just explain why it took so long to receive the money. So the day I requested the payout, the day that I recorded the video as well, within the next 4 to 6 hours, I'm not sure, I received the first email from LeadsLeap Profits admin. And it says, "Hello Andy, I see that the only option you have for collecting commissions and receiving them is PayPal." There you go, April 1st. And as you can see here, we communicated a lot. So for some reasons, Danny couldn't pay me via PayPal, and I only had PayPal in my LeadsLeap Profits as a payment processor. So we communicated a lot. I had to create a PayPal invoice. She tried it again, but she couldn't pay. As you can see, there are more than 15 emails. And ultimately, she created a Skrill account, and she had to wait this much time in order for Skrill to verify and then activate her account. But the moment she activated the Skrill account, there you go. Not only I received the money in my Skrill account, but I also received this email. Skrill finally verified my account and I was able to send your commissions. I am so sorry for the delay. I also got an apology which was unnecessary because I totally got it. I was aware when I entered only PayPal on my LeadsLeap edit profile account as a payment processor. I was aware that this could happen because there are a lot of other options that I couldn't enter any detail. Okay, so if I'd had another payment processor, I would have been paid the same day within let's say 12 hours to be sure. Alright, so if you had any doubts on LeadsLeap Profits, this video hopefully proves you wrong, hopefully erases every doubt you might have on LeadsLeap Profits. Okay, so this video was all about to show you that you get paid through LeadsLeap Profits. And now after verifying her Skrill account, she added it on payment processors here as well. It wasn't available before, but now she added it here. Alright, now I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. And let me just be fair with you guys. I mean, obviously I want all my referrals to activate their account on LeadsLeap Profits, right? Because that means that I will earn more and more money. But let me be fair, if you already know how to use leadsleap.com, you'll also find my referral link in the description of this video, then probably you don't have to activate leadsleapprofits.com. But if you are struggling with LeadsLeap and you want to create, let's say, a perfect funnel to promote it, then I strongly suggest you activate your account and follow the 10 days training, video training tutorial in order to create your fully functional funnel. And I mean everything needed for a professional funnel. Alright? So with that said, I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and convincing. Alright? LeadsLeap Profits ultimately is 100% legit. Thanks again guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!